Andrew and Todd's Winnebago. Alright, so first order of business today, we're going to stab the distributor. And I'm set at right around 10 degrees before top dead center. So when I place my cap, number one needs to be right about here. So we'll adjust accordingly, and that's where we'll stab her. Alright, got our distributor locked down. We got a real nice chrome lockdown tab. That's actually a Mopar Performance part. Just figured they'd make the nicer one. So that's on and in. We got our cap on, so our distributor's locked down, and I numbered our cap. I always number our caps. So if this has to go somewhere on the side of the road when it's out of town somewhere or something, which I doubt it will, but just aids in a different tech working on it. I mean, yeah. Technician. Don't get me started. Go see the silicone rant video. Anyway, numbered it with our firing order 18436572. Gonna run some plug wires, kind of mock them up. And we're gonna put our dipstick tube in. Tube's actually in the freezer right now, getting cold. I pulled the fuel pump back off to do so. Coming along. Installed our fresh air outlet for the PCV. That's gonna go from bring clean air through the air cleaner and into the passenger side valve cover when I drill right there for our crankcase ventilation system. Looking snazzy. Crankcase dongle. There's the pilot. Just a little dimple there for where our grommet's gonna go. We'll drill this out with a step bit later on. And then we'll have breather going. Fresh air in. Plenum vacuum sucking out. And that's our crankcase ventilation. There is our factory timing tab, all painted and marked. Looks great. And I got the dipstick tube in, which was not an easy task. That's why I pulled the pump to get it in, and then we slightly bend her. Now this dipstick, I actually ordered this direct from Chrysler, and it's for an 80s Ram truck. I actually ordered it for an 85 Ram Charger with a 360 because it is a truck pan, and it has the little channel for the dipstick to run down. So it fits perfect. It's correct. And it's an OEM part. Of course, they don't make the damn tube at Chrysler anymore. So the tube came from Proform, and I had to actually sand some of the chrome off the bottom to get her started. But styling, boys and girls. Right, not only do we have our plug wires routed, don't mind this, it's a plug in our hole there. So we gotta drill a little bit larger for our grommet. I gotta bring the right step bit with me. But all our plug wires, they may not be the prettiest, but they are routed to where no wire touches, which is the most important thing. Jokingly, I told Andrew and Todd, I sent them pictures. I go, look, your wires are all social distanced. Joke of the times, boys and girls. Joke of the times. But looks great. That's all done. Next time we're here, we're going to finish up our PCV system, get that all done, get this valve cover bolted up and finalized, get our fittings all finished, and start getting the last bit of the plumbing, and then we will finally tackle the removal. Let's go back to the pretty.